Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we're back working on the scooter. So I think I fast forwarded, did whatever. So I was having a lot of problems trying to start this thing. I'm not really good with the gas engines, as I told you, so I was having a lot of problems. So what I first did, I thought it was the connecting cables that are on this starter, whatever it's called, this the thing that starts the spark, the igniter thing. This thing, I thought it was this because you can put a shut-off switch on here, and I used to, and I was like, oh, maybe there's just something messed up. So this all has to be tightened up. This is really just to tune it, so if you guys have a Viza or any type of scooter, you're seeing what I'm going through, because these things are really old, so it's not like you just you know, see these things all over. Yeah, so I thought it was that, so I took off that, and that didn't seem to be it. So I went at the instructions. I was looking online. This is a Walbro WYK91 type carburetor. So I think this is the 15mm carburetor, not the 11mm carburetor, because I remember I saved up money for a more powerful carburetor, and I know it must be because I go through a lot of gas. When I first had this setup, I used to like never have to fill up my gas tank, but when I got this setup that I got, I remember my gas was like 50% pretty much cut off, but I was very, very fast. This thing is crazy fast, can go up hills really fast. So sorry for all the glue. This thing got stripped, so the only way to connect this, you know, with some strength is use the glue. Eventually I'll, you know, upgrade everything. I just pulled this thing out right now, so it just is a project. This sticker was coming off. I don't know where I can buy these or if I even want to spend the money, because people are asking retarded prices for stuff. That is a loud horn. Wow, that was on Route 46. You heard that? Shit was loud as hell. And that was, it was a little Mercedes truck that was that loud. He must have got a you know, a external air horn. So which I want to get for this as well, but we'll talk about that later. So so I was working on this. I took it apart. I finally got it started. I found out it was this center screw right here. Since this carburetor is a crazy old carburetor, a lot of the other carburetors have all kinds of set screws and stuff like that to mess with it. For some reason, this one really only has this one on the top. I don't know if because this thing is 30 years old or not. I don't really know. It's probably an age thing, because all the ones that I saw before have all kinds of, you know, different set screws that you can mix the air and stuff like that. I read the instructions, went online. You're supposed to put this all the way in. No, take it all the way out, all the way to the max, and then put it in like around 12 to 15 turns. Put it in and then try to start your engine. Just if you have the same problem as me, just showing you what the instructions said, so you don't got to go look for them and read them. You take this screw with your screwdriver, because the other ones usually have a cover here that you take off, and you put this set screws inside of this. This is not like that. This is the screw itself. So it's just, this is just, like I said, probably a really old design. I got it started, it ran. I didn't get to check the temperature for you guys, so we're gonna go over that today. We're gonna check the temperature, see what this thing is running at, rich, lean, whatever, and I'm gonna learn this while you're learning, I guess, with me, because you wouldn't be watching this if you're a professional. And I brought the meter, so we're gonna take temperatures and all that stuff. So let's get this thing on. All right, I found my pocket screwdriver. This thing is great to carry around with you in your pocket. I used to bring a screwdriver around when I drove this thing around, because you know, you never know, it's gas, you need to make adjustments. So at least now I can make any adjustments here I need. All right, let's get this thing on.